I'm currently at the Tualatin Hills Park and Rec Nature Park in Beaverton. Just kind of taking some pictures. I was hoping to get some video, but video just takes too much time. And I gotta stop, set up the camera, set up the shot, get the shot, and with a picture I can just kind of take the picture, look at the thing, fix some of the settings, take it again, and we're good. No, excuse me, we're good to go. It's actually a lot of fun. This is actually really cool out here. Might end up putting some of the pictures in a video, or this video you're watching right now. Well, that's it for now. We will be probably back in a second if I find something else interesting to talk about.